There's something about Missy Robbins restaurants, Missy and Lilia, that when I'm there, I just want to go in the kitchen and cook with Missy. And even better, she's come here to cook with me at the barn. We're going to make your favorite childhood pasta, right?
Absolutely,
It's
yeah.
fresh fettuccine with buffalo butter and Parmesan. Do we start with flour?
Start with flour.
Okay.
This is our 00 flour, imported from Italy.
Yeah.
It's a very fine milled
You can
flour.
see it. And can you buy that here?
You can buy it here, you can buy it online, you can buy it in specialty Italian markets.
Oh, great. So how much is that? 1
That
pound?
is 1 pound of flour.
Great.
And then we're gonna turn this on low speed. And this is an all egg yolk pasta dough. And now you can see it kind
yeah,
of
it's
coming
just-
together as dough.
So that was 25 egg yolks.
Let's turn that
How's that
off.
look?
Now is the
Look
fun
at-
part where you need
Look at
some
this.
mussels.
Okay, mussels. I got mussels. Look how yellow it is. It's amazing.
And it still needs some working. So we're gonna knead this a little till it gets a little smoother. It's really important that it rests and let it rest for at least a half hour.
And happily, because I'm so impatient, we have one that's rested and ready to go.
We're gonna cut it into thirds. We're gonna put it on 1, which is your widest setting.
Okay.
This is just gonna flatten it and make your sheet. See how these air bubbles?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
So
Yeah.
what I do is I fold it. I keep going through number 1
To get the air bubbles
to
out?
get all your air bubbles out.
It's very fine. It's
What do we
really
think?
incredible.
All right, I think we're
What
there.
do you think? You think we're there?
Okay.
Great.
So we'll set that aside. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to cut the actual fettuccine. I'm gonna turn this off.
Okay.
We have to switch out the piece now.
So Missy's changing from the roller to the fettuccine cutter. Here goes.
We are gonna cut this into 12 to 14 inches. You're gonna turn that back on.
Turn it on low.
Yeah, we're gonna flour it just a little bit so it doesn't stick.
Here we go.
All right, ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll catch. You got it.
I got it. I'm making pasta. How gorgeous is that? That was so much fun. Now, a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick.
Yep, and
And
then a
then,
little nest.
how did you do this? You rolled it around your hand?
Yeah,
Like that?
and then just kind of gently drop it onto the tray.
And then dropped it. Your nest looks better than mine, but
That's okay.
mine works, right?
That's okay. It
Yay!
looks beautiful.
The fettuccine made. Now we need sauce.
We are gonna start with water.
That's water with no salt in it.
Water,
it's just
there's
hot
no
water.
salt, just hot water. And we're gonna start with a little butter in here. We're gonna start some buffalo butter. We're gonna salt the pasta water. This is one of the most important steps.
Okay.
Because if you don't salt your water, your actual pasta won't have any seasoning. We're just gonna make sure it's kind of separated and not sticking together. And basically, this is gonna take 1 to 2 minutes to cook.
Really?
Because
It's that
remember,
fast.
you are cooking your pasta more in the sauce. So you can see this is still
really interesting,
nice
yeah.
and thick. And we're
Oh, and
gonna,
you're going to take it out and put it into
gonna
the
take
sauce.
it out. We never drain the pasta. Starchy pasta water is gonna create texture in the sauce. And we're just gonna start tossing.
Wow.
And you'll hear it kind of change.
Yeah. And now it's just getting absorbed into the pasta. That's why it's so good.
Next step is gonna be pepper. And the Parmigiano is gonna go in last. What I do is I like to turn the heat off.
Oh, so the Parmesan doesn't cook at all.
And then we're gonna finish it with this Parmigiano,
great.
which is a 5-year aged Parm.
So good.
Thank
Missy,
you.
thank you. Mwah.
Thank you.
It's the best pasta I've ever
Oh,
had.
thank you.